everybody, and welcome back to yet another family grocery haul. This is a family of 4, and I will just be showing you what we have bought for the month, and these are the prices that we are currently experiencing in the UK as of September 2022. Okay, so this is not to scare anybody, but this is just to show you what the current reality of food items is right now in the UK. And we've done something differently this month. We have gone to do our shopping in Morrison's as opposed to doing it in Aldi as we have done in previous grocery hauls that I've shown you and uploaded on this channel. If you haven't seen it, I'll leave it up in the card somewhere and also show you a screenshot of what the thumbnail looks like so you can watch it after this. I will also leave a link to that video in the description box. So yeah, that's what this video is going to be about. Also, this video doubles as a back to school haul, and that is because we are preparing for the boys to get back to school next week Monday, and we're just trying to prepare in terms of their uniforms and sportwear and, you know, bottles and things like that. All right, so the first thing we have here is this caramel latte. This is the premium instant Starbucks flavor, and I'm trying this one out for the first time. I had this Kenko Americano Intense coffee at work, and I just had to buy it for the house. This thing will keep you woke. Yeah, so for cereal, you know, we always get a couple of boxes of cereal because the boys go through them like it is no man's business. We have the Cocoa Pops, chocolate Cocoa Pops. We have 2 of the honey loops, and we also bought the Choco Crankle. We also have the Rice Krispies or Rice Crinkles. We have 2 boxes of the Honey Nuts, and these are just the Morrison's brand. They were a lot cheaper than the Kellogg's one, and that's also something to look out for. We also got a box of plain Waffle Cones. This is for ice cream. Also bought the boys some healthy snack, and these are just breadsticks for them to snack on in between meals. And as this is still Gary season, I've gone to get 2 packs of the salted peanut and cashew. This thing is just a delight to eat and snack on. This is the salted peanut, and this one can be used for Gary. Trust me, these 2 we bought at Aldi, and they are very good. We usually don't get this every month, but this is just something that I picked up because I know the boys will be hungry after a long day. All right, so next up we have these noodles, and this is the ones we get at Morrison's. This is a very good brand, and this is because we could not get to the African store that is in Middlesbrough that we usually buy this from. This is also some original Ritz cookies, and this is some snack for the boys to eat. Also, we have 2 packs of the cream crackers. We have 2 paste tubes. We have 2 tubes of tomato puree, and also we have 4 packs of Capri-Sun. This one came in a deal, and it was 2 for £4. So 2 boxes like this come for £4. So we bought 4 of that. Also, I have some spices here. This is garlic granules. This is sesame seeds and poppy seeds. Now, these 2 are for my oats and my Fit Farm. In the Fit Farm, wave to me in the comment section. And this is just for spices and boiling meat and things like that. This is a can opener. The one I got previously, as I wore it out, so I got a new one. This was just £1 at Morrison's. And this is the John West sardines in sunflower oil. This one I have to get for Momoy. Saturday Momoy. I cannot do without sardine for that. Also, sometimes I fry eggs with this. But yeah, this 4 should get us through the month because we don't really eat it on its own. Sometimes we also eat sandwiches with that as well. A pack of Chupa Chops. This brings back a lot of fond childhood memories, and yeah, I just thought to get it for the boys. This is probably the second time we're buying this packet, and this is the crisp corner. We have quite the collection because the boys go through them like nothing. This is the ready salted. This is the cream cheese and onion. We have 2 packs of that because they really like that one. We have the onion ring, and then we have this one that has, I think 32 in packet. It has a couple of flavors on there. I know it is upside down, but please just bear with me. I'm super tired. Also, we have some bonbons. We have 3 packs of these. The boys absolutely love these biscuits. Also, we have some hot chocolate. This is the instant hot chocolate drink from Aldi. It was £1 something. This is the custard that boys like to eat on the night. This is also the John West tuna chunks in brine. This one, I like to mix soups and stews with it. I also put this in my efforiro sometimes when I'm lacking condiments. That's just a quick tip for you guys. We have some table salt for cooking. This is just my backup one. I currently have one that I just opened. We also have a bottle of Ribena. And this thing, you guys, is unlike any other squash that we have bought, because the taste of this thing, it doesn't leave a lingering taste like that saccharine taste in your mouth. It just it's really nice to have. We also have some ketchup. This is also going to back stock because I have one that is currently open. This is Elman's mayonnaise. Sorry about the lighting, guys. This one I like to mix with the sardine to make sandwiches. We've seen that before. This is a can of tin foil, and this is what I use to make my moimoi. I showed you this in one of my vlogs, and this is what I buy. I buy this pack for about £1.25, and I bought this at Poundland as well. Moving on to flour. We have flour to bake. We'll be doing some baking this month because I'm getting the boys interested in baking. And this is my youngest's water bottle. I know he's 3 years old, but this is the kind of sturdy material that I'm looking for. It's for 18 months plus, and he's 3, so it applies. So don't come for me in the comment section. This is very sturdy. It won't break it easily. Here I just have some skincare / hair care products. I have 2 packs of the charcoal sheet mask for facial day / home spa. Also, we have picked up some hair food, and this is by Garnier. This has an amazing smell. I got a small pack of got-to-be glue, 1 stick of mascara. I also picked up this poppy and barley perfume from Aldi. This is the number 39, and it has a bomb smell. It smells really, really good. Also, this is the La Cura face wash gel. Also, I picked up this coconut and lychee conditioner and shampoo. Obviously, for natural hair, you guys know that this one will finish first, because conditioner is the life, is the oxygen of natural hair. We know. I also picked up some mousse to slick down my hair. I also picked up this La Cura original hot oil cleanser, and I picked up this mango shower gel for the boys. Here we have some brown sugar. You guys, I am stock up on brown sugar. Ever since South Africa, I kind of struggle to use white sugar because I'm more into the taste of brown sugar than white sugar. We also picked up 10 packs of these yogurts. We also picked up a bag of onions. This cannot even reach 2 weeks because the way I use onions in my cooking here. Also, we picked up this slab of ginger, and this is what I put in my pepper mix to give it a little kick. I learned this trick from my mom because every time she cooks, she always puts a little ginger, even if it's in jollof rice. Yeah, it will give your food a kick. Very nice taste. All right, so my husband picked up this gut-friendly milk. I don't know, but I'm curious to taste this. This is the milk that we always buy at Morrison's. This thing is an amazing deal. We have one that we just opened in the fridge, so this is going to back stock, but to be opened before the end of next week. This is another head of broccoli. We love broccoli in this house. Spring onions. We got some spring onions. I like to blend this up in my pepper mix. I recently started enjoying the taste of spring onions in my cooking. And we have some fresh carrot. It was weighed, and we bought this at Morrison's. We also picked up some diapers and some sanitary pads. And over here is our bread section, and this is our toasty. This bread is very good for toasting, like the name implies. If you're going to be toasting your bread or even eating it with just butter, this is very good. And we got this at Morrison's. We also have a slab of white cheddar cheese here. This one I use for pizza. You make pizza with this. And this is our croissant. Okay, I also picked up a bag of bagels. We have one that we just opened, and it looks like it's, yeah, I've only had one of that. This will give you the taste of Nigerian bread. If you ever go to Morrison's or any shop, pick up a bag of bagels and tell me the texture is not familiar. This is another brioche bread. This is a sort of sweet bread. This taste is it tastes like a cake, but it's bread. I don't know if I'm making sense, but that's how the taste is. This is a bag of sliced seeded burger buns. Yeah, so we also picked up 2 rolls of this garlic. This is what I cannot cook without garlic. I'm one of those people. I put garlic in everything, basically everything. We also picked up 2 bags of this easy peelers. These are called easy peelers or clementine. We also picked up some lemon. I put this in some of my drinks and teas and things like that. Also, we have 2 bunches of banana. Back here we have some seedless black grapes. These ones are so sweet. I prefer them to the red grapes personally. We also picked up 2 tubs of the red grapes. As you can see here, they came in a combo, and this is the discount price for buying 2 tubs. We also picked up a bag of apples, and this one has a very sweet and sour taste. We also picked up some red bell pepper. I was going to go to town center to pick up a box, but the strength was very little, so I just bought what I found at Morrison. We also have some tomatoes, and these are the ripened tomatoes that are still on the vine. I bought a couple a few days ago, so I'm just going to add them to these ones and blend them up and store them. I showed you how I blend and store my pepper. I'll leave a clip to that I'll leave a clip somewhere on the screen. These are the sweet pointed peppers, also known as shombo. I picked up a whole watermelon. I think it was £3 something from Morrison's. 2 lettuce, and then down here we have some chili pepper. They are not very hot, but at least they will have a little kick. And I'm going to combine that with garlic and then ginger that I showed you earlier. Also, we have this red eye chili. This is they are comparing this to atay here in Nigeria, but we know that they are not mates. The red eye chili from Nigeria it's nothing compared to this one. It's nothing compared to that. We got 2 packs of pork, and this is the meat. We also bought some lamb chops, and these are just for dinners and whatnot. So these were £1. These were £1.61. I couldn't get to the Pakistan shops where I always buy them. We have some burger patties. We picked up this combo of 2 packs of this chicken for £8. This was a deal that we found at Morrison's. This is what I'm telling you. Morrison's has some very nice deals. So 2 packs of this whole chicken for £8 at Morrison's. We have a tub of vanilla ice cream. We also have 2 packs of minced meat, and this is for pasta. It's also for pizzas as well. Sometimes I make stews with that. These are 2 packs of French fries. I bought some packs recently, so we still have some in the freezer, so that's why I'm not buying as much as I usually do. We have some pork sausages here for breakfast, and also to pair with some of the chips and roasted potato fries that I have in the freezer already. And then we have 2 packs of the chicken balls, and these are from Aldi. These are like chicken nuggets that have been rolled up into small balls. And also for eforiro and tins, we have 4 packs of spinach. We all know that these 4 packs is not going to go anywhere. By the time it enters hot water, now everything will fit inside one of my hands. So I've been making some oat bowls, and my husband has recently joined the train. So we have now included this into our monthly shopping. So we have 2 packs of almond flakes. We also have 2 packs of sunflower seeds. We have 2 packs of peanuts. I'll be roasting these. I'll show you a shortcut method on how you can roast your peanuts at home. I also have 2 packs of almonds. We also have 2 packs of crystallized ginger, and this is just to act as a natural sweetener to our oats and cereals. And then we have some desiccated coconut flakes, and this is something that I absolutely have to pick up every time I go into Poundland. Banana chips. So I bought 2 packs of that, and then 1 pack of chocolate chips for baking. So all of these condiments, all these nuts and things I bought at Poundland. So from here downwards is from Poundland. Show you the things we got for back to school runs. We've got 2 shoes from Morrison's. These are very good quality, and yeah, I bought 2 for each boy, and my youngest has a pair of white and black socks, came in a pair, and this is for my eldest. I also got one for my youngest because they have activities that require them to wear their mufti, and that is why they do not wear uniforms every single day of the week. All right, so that is for my eldest, and this is for my youngest. You guys are seeing the prices. This is a pack of 3 for my youngest, so yeah, ages 3 to 4, and that is that. Also, I picked up an umbrella because the rainy season is upon us. Also, we picked up 2 school bags because my children absolutely love SpongeBob. So you guys, that is our haul for all of the groceries that we have bought for this month. We didn't have to buy rice and some semo and all of that because we have them from previous months, and that's why I always buy in bulk, because it saves me extra costs for a couple of months to come. You guys, that is where we wrap up this video. All right, so for everything that we got here, it was a little over 300. We spent a total of £310 thereabout, and that is the rising costs of foodstuff right now. Previously, we would spend about £250, and that was when we even used to go to the African store. But now this is just 3 stores. This is Morrison's, Aldi, and Poundland, and that is what the total of all of this has come up to. So foodstuff has gone up into the sky, but the Lord will bring it down back to heart. All right, so you guys, that is the current reality of foodstuff for the UK, and this is for a family of 4. Like some things we are still going to go back in the month. Some things like milk, fruits, you know, things like biscuits and things like that. We will always go back. All right, so that is our time here. If you loved the vlog, or you enjoyed it, you found value for it, or you have further questions, do what, leave them in the comment section. Leave me a huge thumbs up. It does a lot to encourage me, boost my confidence, and get other people to see these videos. And if you have watched this video up until this point and you still have not subscribed, remember the Lord is watching you. We shall see in another vlog.